Ooh. Ooh. So today we're going to be using a new product, and this is by PUR. I've seen so many videos with people using these sponges, and I'm just like, is that even easy to use? Like, it feels so weird. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how this is gonna work out with my makeup, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it works and we'll try it. It definitely is getting the makeup in there, but it's not giving like a matte kind of finish to it, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna do it versus the beauty blender just so you guys can see what I mean. Like, I just use a random beauty blender and I'm just gonna apply it and bring it up here. I feel like the plastic applicator just kind of like presses it into your skin. It doesn't really blend. I mean, I don't know. I feel like it doesn't blend. This is by Mally and this is in ice blue. I'm just going to lightly line my waterline. So now all I'm going to do is apply some eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the PUR Cosmetics liquid liner, and this is in Dating Joe Black. So I'm going to use this new palette that I got in my BoxyCharm, and this is by PUR Cosmetics. It's a really cute palette. It has a lot of different colors in it. It's actually really cute. This is by Ofra, and this is in Verona. But that is it for the makeup, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.